Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and today I'm going to show you the all-new 2019 Scout 275 LXF. Here we are on the bow of the Scout 275 LXF. Your through-hole anchor with windlass. Forward seating with storage below. In-floor storage. Behind the forward seating, we have storage compartments for dock lines and things like that. These do get cushions. It's just it's winter time here, so they're in a protected space right now. Here we are at the helm with the Garmin 7612 XSV. This boat's equipped with Mercury twin 200 4-strokes. They're the new Mercuries. Digital throttles. Your dash. Glove box. Garmin VHF. We're at the helm seat. You have a cooler storage area. Sink. Tackle drawers. 2 of them. In the cockpit area, we have port and starboard matching fish boxes. On the transom, again, we have port and starboard live wells. Here we are at the transom of the Scout 275 LXF. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. You see the brand new 200 Mercuries. And you can see this at MarineMax on Long Beach Island. Contact us at 609-494-2102. Thank you.